Alright, YouTube land. So, Mother Nature kind of surprised me. I noticed my internet stopped working. There's my antenna up there. When it gets covered in sticky snow or it rains super hard, I lose internet. But then I looked outside to look at my creek down there that you can't see. And I'm like, oh my God, look at that snow. So I came out here and just broomed off the chaos. And I wish you guys could smell the race gas. Or, well, this is actually aviation fuel, but oh, it smells so good. She is ready to go for a ride. I wish we had about another 40 inches of snow, but I'll take what I can get, especially when it's in my own yard.